Hi everyone, this is Senpai and welcome back to my video. As you can see right now, I have a painting of 2B open in my Photoshop, and today we are going to learn how to paint oily skin. If you want to practice with me, you can download this file on my Gumroad. You can check the link in the description below, and it's free. Yes, free. And if you're ready, let's get started. First, I made the new layer and picked the hard brush. Pick the light yellow color and then mark the area that we want the skin to have the oil highlight. Usually the human body is going to have the highlight around the concave and convex areas. If you have some basic knowledge about anatomy, that would be really helpful. But if you weren't sure, you can just follow my painting so you see which areas I'm marking. And then I lower the opacity to about 40%. I made a new layer on top, pick the light orange color, and set the layer to overlay mode. And then I change the brush. And for this layer, I'm going to use the airbrush. I slightly paint the areas that I have already marked in the previous layer to give more variation in color to the skin. It's very subtle, but it helps make the skin look more natural. It's my personal preferences. And then I make another layer and pick the light skin color, but I suggest not to use white color at this stage. Usually the highlight is consists of the hard edge and the soft edge. If you have some photo references, that would help you to understand how the highlight behave better. now we get something like this. It looks pretty good to me already, but I will make another layer and set it to overlay mode. Pick some various light colors and paint it slightly around the highlight areas to make the skin looks natural. I made a new layer and set it to linear dodge mode. Pick the light yellow color and use the hard round brush. This brush is very hard, it doesn't really have softness at all, so I'll use this brush with the smudge tool to soften it. And then again, I made a new layer and picked the hard brush, and I'm going to tweak the brush setting a bit by going to brush setting and tweak the spacing and hardness. And then go to scattering, tweak the scatter and count. And now we got the brush that looks like dots. This brush is for the skin texture. It's not necessary to have it, but if you wanted to try it, of course you can. Well, alright. I think that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. And thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.